everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make money on Instagram. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your Instagram game, I'm going to share some effective strategies that can help you turn your profile into a money-making machine. Let's get started. First things first. Instagram isn't just a platform for sharing photos and videos anymore. It's a powerful business tool with over 1 billion active users. That's a huge audience waiting to engage with your content. So, how do you tap into this potential? Here are 5 proven strategies to start making money on Instagram. Strategy number 1. Build a strong personal brand. Your Instagram profile is your digital storefront. Start by defining your niche. Are you into fitness, fashion, travel, or maybe tech? Once you've nailed your niche, create a cohesive aesthetic with high-quality photos, a consistent tone, and a clear bio that tells people who you are and what you offer. Remember, people buy into you, so let your personality shine. Next up, collaborate with brands. Once you've built a following, brands will pay you to promote their products or services. Start by reaching out to brands that align with your niche. You can also sign up for influencer marketing platforms like Aspire IQ or Upfluence to connect with brands directly. Pro tip: micro-influencers with smaller but highly engaged audiences can often charge $100 to $500 per post. Strategy number 3. Sell your own products or services. If you have something to offer, Instagram is the perfect place to sell it. Whether it's an online course, an ebook, handmade crafts, or even consulting services, use Instagram's shopping features and link in bio tools to drive sales. Don't forget to create engaging content that showcases the value of what you're selling. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or even brand-specific programs. Share honest reviews and tutorials, and always disclose that you're using affiliate links to stay transparent with your audience. Finally, monetize your content. Instagram now offers features like badges and live videos and subscriptions that allow your followers to support you financially. You can also repurpose your content on platforms like Patreon or YouTube to create multiple income streams. The key is to provide value so your audience is happy to support you. And there you have the top 5 effective strategies to start making money on Instagram. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes consistency, creativity, and engagement. Start small, stay authentic, and watch your efforts pay off. Drop a comment below, let me know which strategy you're going to try first. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.